Okay guys, today I'm back to give you guys another video. Today we're going to be doing a quick review of the mfish Armored Dragon 4-in-1 multi 240 watt fast charging cable. Now this one on their website is $15.99. Let me show you right quick. It's $15.99 on their website. You can choose it in different colors. They do have black, pink, purple, white, green, red, and gray. Now we do have the green one here. The question is it worth the money, guys? Let's find out. All right, guys, let me show you right here. I've never bought a cable that came with a case. This is the first cable I buy that I get that has a case. So this one, it says mfish there, and then inside this is where you put the cable on, and then you have another little compartment to put some extra stuff in there. But let's get to the cable itself. The cable is very strong, as you guys can see. It's really thick. It's really feels really good. Now the main ones are type C's, as you can see, but they do have adapters for type A and for lightning as well. So for the hardware, I do like it. I'm gonna test it out right now so you guys can see. I'm gonna connect my tablet and then you guys can see what it looks like. So I do have a box here. We're gonna connect it real quick and then you'll see what it looks like. There is a little LED light that turns on the actual cable when you connect it. So as you guys can see there, it turns on red and then it goes into charging, which turns on green, which is real nice. I do like it a lot, guys. We're gonna go on to my final thoughts now. All right, guys, so after testing it for maybe about a few weeks, I've been really liking this cable. I think it's a must-have if you're looking for a nice strong cable that is really fast charging. This one is a 240 watt fast charging cable, so it's really fast, and it does have these nice adapters in case you need lightning or you need a type A cable for whatever reason. This one is a good cable. I am gonna recommend it because it's a good cable to have. So that was my quick review. Check out all my videos, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.